Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.1 question number 1 to 13 of ML Aggarwal Class 9 Mathematics. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So here we are going to solve exercise 2.1 question number 1 to 13. So let's start solving. Exercise 2.1. Here the first question says that find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 8,000 at 5% per annum for 2 years. So we have to find the amount and compound interest. We have principal value as 8,000, rate as 5% and time period as 2 years. So let us find the interest of first year by PRT by 100 method. So interest after first year on solving here by PRT by 100 method we will get as 80 into 5 equal to rupees 400. Amount after first year is equal to rupees 8,000 plus 400 equal to 8,400. Now the interest after second year we will find at the principal value of 8,400. This is the principal value for second year and the amount after first year. So we will take this value only. 8,400 into 5 into 1 upon 100 equal to amount after second year. We will add 8,400 plus 420 to find the amount after second year. We will get as 8,820. Now the compound interest we have to find. So compound interest we will find by subtracting the amount by the principal value. So we will get 8,820 minus 8,000 equal to rupees 820 as the compound interest. Now the second part is a man invests rupees 46,875 at 4% per annum compound interest for 3 years. Calculate the interest for the first year. So we have to find the interest for the first year by PRT by 100 method. We will find the interest for the first year equal to 46,875 into 4 into 1 divided by 100 equal to rupees 1,875 as the interest for the first year. Now we will find the amount after first year so that we can put it as the principal value for the second year. So we will add 46,875 plus 1,875 for the principal value of second year. Equal to rupees 48,750. Interest for second year now equal to 48,750 into 4 into 1 divided by 100. So we will get as 975 into 2. Now amount for second year we will add 48,750 plus 1,950 equal to rupees 50,700. Now interest for the third year we have to find according to the question. So we will put 50,700 into 4 into 1 divided by 100 equal to 507 into 4 equal to 2,028 as the interest for the third year. Now the third question is calculate the compound interest for the second year on rupees 8,000 invested for 3 years at 10% per annum. Also find the sum due at the end of third year. So we have to find firstly the compound interest for the second year. So let us find firstly the interest for the first year. So we will get here rupees 800 as the interest for the first year. Now the amount for first year we will find the principal for second year equal to 8,000 plus 800 equal to 8,800. Now interest for second year we will find as 8,800 into 10 into 1 divided by 100 equal to 880. Now the principal for second year here is 8,800 plus 880 equal to rupees 9,680. So here this is the principal for second year. And we have to find the compound interest for second year. So this is only 880 is only the compound interest. Now the second part of this, find the sum due at the end of third year. So we will find the interest for third year which we have by putting the principal value rupees 9680 into 10 into 1 divided by 100 equal to 968. So amount after third year equal to rupees 9680 plus 968 equal to rupees on adding here 1648 as the answer here. So this is the answer. Now the fourth part says that Ramesh invests rupees 12,800 for 3 years at the rate of 10% per annum compound interest. The sum due to Ramesh at the end of first year. Let us find it. So at the end of first year we have to, so firstly we find interest, we will get 1280 as the interest. Now the sum we will add 12,800 plus 1280. So we will get the sum here for the first year. Now the second part says that the interest he earns for the second year. So we will put 14,080 into 10 into 1 divided by 100. We will find the interest for the second year. Now this we will add as for the total amount due to him at the end of 3 years. If you have to find, we will find firstly the interest for the third year by putting the principal value of adding 14,080 plus 1,408. So we will get 15,488. Now interest is 15,488 into 10 into 1 divided by 100 equal to rupees 15,048.80. Now here amount for third year, amount due to him at the end of third year. So we will get rupees 15,488 plus 1,548.80 equal to 17,036.8. Now the fifth question says that the simple interest on sum of money for 2 years at 12% per annum is 1380. Find the sum of money. So first question is we have to find the sum of money here. So we will firstly put the PRT by formula, PRT by 100. So we will get the principal value by this formula. On cancelling this whole thing, we will get as 690 into 25, 230 into 25 equal to principal value equal to 5,750 as the principal value here. Now the second part of it is the compound interest on this sum for 1 year payable half yearly at the same time. So let us solve it. Rate of interest here half yearly we will get as 6%. So let us solve it. On solving interest for first year, we will get here rupees 345. Now amount after first half year, we will get as rupees 5,750 plus 345 equal to 6,095. Now we will find the interest for second half year, and then we will get as rupees 6095 into 6 into 1 divided by 100 equal to 1 to 1.9 into 3 as the answer here. Now we will get, on multiplying this, 365.7. On adding, for finding the amount for second half year, we will add the principal amount of second half year and the interest for second half year, and we will get as 6460.7. Now here the compound interest is principal minus amount after second half year, or amount we have to take here difference here. So minus will not matter here, so we will take the difference as 710.7. So this is the answer in this question. Now the sixth part of the sixth question is, a person invests rupees 10,000 for 2 years at a certain rate of interest compounded annually. At the end of 1 year, this sum amounts to rupees 11,200. Calculate the rate of interest per annum. So all things are given here: principal, amount and time. Rate we have to find. So the first part is the rate of interest per annum. Let us solve it by the PRT by 100 formula. We will put the compound interest by subtracting the amount minus principal amount. So we will get 1200. Now 1200 equal to 10,000 into R into 1 divided by 100 equal to, rate is equal to 12% per annum. Now the second part is the amount at the end of second year. So here we have interest for second year at 12% per annum equal to 11,200 into 12 into 1 divided by 100 equal to 112 into 12 equal to rupees 1344. Amount after 2 years is equal to rupees 11,200 plus rupees 1344 equal to rupees 12,544 as the amount for after 2 years. Now the seventh question is, Mr. Lalit invested rupees 5,000 at a certain rate of interest compounded annually for 2 years. At the end of first year, it amounts to rupees 5,325. Calculate the rate of interest. So the compound interest for first year here is rupees 5,325 minus rupees 5,000 equal to rupees 325. We will find this by the same formula which we applied in the previous question, and we will get here rate is equal to 6.5% per annum. Now the second part is amount after 1 year at the end of second year to the nearest rupee we have to find. So firstly we will find amount after 1 year is rupees 5,325. So we will find interest, we will get 346.12. Now amount after second year we will find by adding the interest of second year and the principal amount for second year. We will get as rupees 5,067 1.12. Now the eighth question is, a man invests rupees 5,000 for 3 years at a certain rate of interest compounded annually. At the end of 1 year, it amounts to rupees 5,600. So firstly, we will find the compound interest by subtracting 5,600 minus 5,000. We will get as rupees 600. Then on solving for the rate of interest, so we will get 600 into 100 divided by 5,000 equal to rate. So this is equal to 12% per annum. Now the second part is the interest occurred in the second year. So we will find the interest for the second year. So here the first year amount is 5,600, putting the value as 5,600 into 12 into 1 divided by 100 equal to rupees 672. Third part is the amount at the end of third year. So we will find the interest for the third year, 6,272 into 12 into, in the previous question we have 6,272 into 12 into 1 upon 100. So we will get rupees 752.64. Now the amount at the end of third year is equal to 6,272 plus 752.64 equal to rupees 7,024.64 as the answer. Now the ninth question is, find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 2,000 at 10% per annum for 2.5 years compounded annually. So here we have to find the interest for first year. Now here amount equal to rupees 2,000 plus rupees 200 equal to 2,200. For second year we have interest equal to 2,200 into 10 into 1 divided by 100 equal to 220. Amount 2,200 plus 220 equal to rupees 2,420. For half year we will get as 5% interest. So putting the value as 2,420 into 5 into 1 divided by 100 and cancelling this we will get rupees 121. On adding it in the amount of second year, we will get as 2,541 as the answer. The second question of this is, find the compound interest. So we will subtract the amount minus principal amount here. We will get here as 541 rupees as the compound. Now the 10th part is, find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 50,000 for 1.5 years at 5% per annum, the interest being compounded semi-annually. So we will firstly find the amount after 1.5 years. So for first year we will get as amount as 52,000. Now the interest for second year, putting the value as, we will get 2,080. On adding it in the amount we will get 5,4080. Calculating the interest for third year, we will get here rupees 2,163.2 and the amount as rupees 56,243.2. So here we will get the answer Now here compound interest is equal to amount minus principal amount. So we will get the answer. Now the 11th part is calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 5,000 in 2 years when the rate of interest for successive years is 6% and 8% respectively. Firstly, we will find the interest for first year, then amount equal to rupees 5,300, then interest for second year equal to rupees 424, and the amount as 5,300 plus 424 equal to rupees 5,724. Now the compound interest is equal to 5,724 minus 5,000. Now the 12th part is calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 17,000 in 3 years when the rate of interest for successive years is 10%, 10% and 14% respectively. For first year we will find the interest equal to rupees 960 on calculating. Now for second year we will get as interest is equal to rupees 18,070, amount is equal to 18,700 plus 1870 equal to 20,570. For third year we have interest as 2,879.8 and the amount equal to 20,570 plus 2,879.8 equal to rupees 23,449.8. Now the compound interest is equal to amount minus principal amount. So we will get 23,449.8 minus 17,000 equal to 6,449.8. Now the 13th question is a sum of rupees 9,600 is invested for 3 years at 10% per annum at compound interest. So what is the sum due at the end of first year? So here we will find for first year interest is equal to rupees 960, amount as rupees 10,560. For second year we have interest equal to rupees 1,056, amount as 11,616. Now the third part is find the compound interest earned in 2 years. So we will find the compound interest by subtracting the amount minus the principal amount. So here we will get on subtracting rupees 2,016. Now the fourth part is find the difference between the answers in second and first and then find the interest on this sum for 1 year. So we'll find the difference between 11,616 minus 10,560. So we will get 1,056. On this we will find the interest. So we will multiply it by 10 into 1 divided by 100. So we will get 105.6 as the interest. Now the fifth part says that hence write down the compound interest for the third year. So we will find the interest for the third year by putting the principal value of amount of second year. We will get 1161.6. By adding this we will get 12,777.6. Now the compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So we will get 12,777.6 minus 9,600 equal to rupees 3,177.6 as the answer. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.